next one is this Christmas bulb. Here's the cutter. And then this one, you take your lines and just go this way. That's where that would screw into the light socket. And then for the bow, there's not a lot you can do on them, but it's kind of nice if you go ahead and take the red, same tip, number 3, and just do some lines going across. We'll take some of this dust again. Now this one is called Clear Violet. Again, it's one of the pixie dusts. And before the royal icing dries, just go ahead and dab it on the lines. Okay, now on that one, we'll take the gold again here. Add a little bit more liquid to it. And just paint this part, the base, gold. So there's the Christmas bulb. Let's see if this one's ready to be painted. Take the gold and just go over all the red parts that we piped. Now that's the reason that I piped it in red. If I were to pipe it in white royal icing, then when I paint this, you would still see the sides. You would see the white royal icing. So if you do the red, you don't have to worry about painting the sides of the icing, because the red will just blend in with the fondant below it. Okay, voila.